Hey guys, this is the NCY Honda Elite or DO DD50 Kymco ZX kit. It's 82cc 50mm. For the money, it's a really good kit. Entry level, torquey, it'll work with a lot of different setups. So I just wanted to explain these kits. We were told, one of our customers said, hey, by the way, it comes with studs with no nuts, which doesn't make any sense because you can't use that, right? So we do this with a lot of our products and with a lot of our vendors too. NCY is really good to deal with. So rather than selling you a product that doesn't have the proper nuts for these, we called NCY and said, hey guys, listen, it doesn't make sense. Customers need nuts for these. You can't expect them to supply their own. And I think it was just something that was overlooked. So NCY, all the kits that they're sending us from here on out and everybody else, so everybody else will benefit from this as well. They're going to get nuts with their studs. So in the time being, until NCY sorts that out on their end at the factory, we're going to just go ahead and keep the price the same, and we're just going to open up all these packages and add nuts to all these studs. So again, these are things that we do to better the quality of the components that are out in the industry. If we find something just like the Arrows that had the short internals, we contacted Arrow and said, hey guys, this doesn't make sense. We can't have these silencers falling apart on people. So anyways, so if you get this kit, from here on out until NCY gets it sorted, we're going to add the nice deeper chrome nuts on here for no extra charge and pack them ourselves, open up every box and pack them. But pretty soon NCY will start doing that at the factory once those start rolling in a little bit. But in the meantime, we're going to add these just to make sure that the customer has all their parts. So the stud kits are normally, I don't know, depending on where you get them, 12 to 16 bucks for studs. So if you get this kit, it's really nice that it comes with the studs and nuts, because you're getting, for 100 bucks, you're getting the whole entire kit, gaskets and gaskets, rings, and everything, and then you're also doing the stud kit, which is a nice bonus, C-clips, and your wrist pin as well. So again, this is Honda Elite, Honda Dio, AF16, AF18, DD50, Kymco, the Kymco 50 ZX as well. So 100 bucks, they're hard to beat, come with the stud kit. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing with these to make sure that customers get nuts with their kits. And we try to do this with all of our products. So thanks for your support. Let us know if you got any questions. Thanks.